Hi, my name is Pieter van Hoogdalem, Business Development Strategist for Adamson. Welcome to our booth here at InfoComm 2025 in Orlando. We are very happy to announce the release of our VGt integration amplifiers. And let's take a closer look. We are showing 2 of 4 models that we will be releasing, the VGt and the VG8. The VG integration amplifiers are aimed at the installation market and are available in 4 and 8 channel configurations, up to 16 kilowatts maximum power and with redundant Milan. This is another step for us as a company to create our own Adamson ecosystem where everything will be able to be controlled through our proprietary array intelligence software. It's not the only thing that we are showing at InfoComm this year. Besides our VG integration amplifiers, we are also showing products from our CS line, our IS series, and of course VGt, our flagship line array that we launched in 2024, and that was joined by VGs, which is the accompanying subwoofer. So both speakers are intelligent powered speakers. That means redundant AVB Milan, onboard powerful DSP. The VGt, very interesting to mention, also has a cardioid function to it, so you can use it either in cardioid or omni. VGt and VGs are currently on tour with Imagine Dragons in Europe after they toured the US with it. And Linkin is also hitting the road with VGt and VGs this summer at European festivals and clubs.